Hi guys, what's going on? It's the Digital Tutor here with another step-by-step tutorial. In today's video, I'm just going to show you how to stop Chrome opening automatically on a PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and drop a comment below. And if you are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more step-by-step tutorials, how-tos and tips and tricks for everything tech and digital related. In order to do this, it's actually very easy. All you're going to want to do is come down to the search bar down here, and then you just want to go ahead and type settings and open up the settings app, which will come up under best match. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is actually locate the apps button, which is just down here, and then give that a click. And then if you look at the menu on the left hand side, what you're going to want to do is come down to Startup, right down at the bottom. And what this is going to do is load up all the apps that are set to automatically open on Startup. So what you want to do is just locate Google Chrome. And you can see that's down here. I've currently got that set to on. And to turn this off and stop that from loading and opening automatically, what you're going to want to do is simply click the toggle button and set that to off. So there's no save button. All you need to do is literally click it off, and that's going to stop Chrome from opening automatically. So I hope you found that helpful, and if that did help, please leave a like and drop a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And if you do want to help support the Digital Tutor channel, there is a link in the video description down below. If you go and give that a click, you'll be able to buy the team here a cup of coffee. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.